Hi there, what's up? My name is Vishal from my web, and in this video we are going to work on the product detail page where we can see our product details as a customer. So in this demo, as you can see, when I click on this title, so I got a detail page of this Samsung mobile. Okay, and when I go back to my home page and when I click on this MSI laptop, so I got a detail page of this MSI laptop and their pricing also. So how can you do that using PHP and MySQL? Let's see using PHP and MySQL. Okay, so I'm on my home page and let's start my coding. So coming back to my code editor and I create a folder in my root area. So I create a folder which name is includes, and in includes folder I created 3 files like the header.php, a footer.php, and also another one is navbar.php. And when I coming back to my index.php, I just cut these lines like I separate these things from my like the wrapper. So I just cut this line and I paste it in the header.php. And for the now, I just save this page and I'm just checking my page. I refresh. As you can see, I got nothing and I got an error. Some looks like the error because I just cut this header section into a separate file. So I just include this header.php using the include. So include, and my folder name is includes, and here we have this my header.php. Refresh, sorry, save and refresh. All is working fine. After that, the next step is to cut this navbar and paste it into my navbar.php file. Okay, so now save and check. Okay, now what I need, I just need to copy this line. I mean, just change the line here and change the navbar. Okay, I'll save, I'll check. Okay, cool. Now I'm just coming back to I'm going down to my footer area and I cut this section and I pasted all my script tags into the footer.php file. After that, I paste my footer tag. Okay, let's start my PHP tag and change the name. This is the footer.php. Let's see. Okay, so all is working fine. Now what we need, I need to put like the product ID in this title, and I set a anchor tag. So I'm just going to my product carousel. Here we have my product details section, as you can see. So I just okay, I set a anchor tag, so e and my hyphen reference, and for the now I just start with the product dot php, a question mark, id equals to my latest product underscore id, and that's it. Okay, and then okay, and after that, after the closing of this my div tag, I close my anchor tag too. I just beautify my tag. And also, okay, let's see, I just save this page and check in the browser. So as you can see, when I click on this link, we redirect to the product.php file with this id which will be 6. So I change the get parameter with the product id. So I just copy this product id and paste it, replace with this id. Refresh. Okay, and when I click, we redirect to product.php with the product id parameter. So after that, I create a new file which is the product.php. product.php, and I start my PHP tag for the now, and I echo my get URL, which will be product.php. I mean the product underscore ID. So I just click on this page and I copy this product ID and paste it over here. Let's save. Now let's see. If you got the 6, then we are okay with it. Okay, as you can see, we got product ID 6. Okay, so I stored them into a product ID. So I'll store this into a variable product underscore ID equals to. Okay. Okay, so my second thing is to work on the product detail page UI part. So I just start my UI part. So I just going top of the page and I copy this that I mean this both of the include. So I just copy this and paste it into my product.php at here. Okay. Okay, I set this into a top of the page and I write a comment. This is for include required things. Okay. Okay, so just refresh this page, save this page, and okay, as you can see, we missing our icons. So I'm going back to my code editor and just copy this and paste it into another line for the now, and change my navbar to the footer.php. Save and refresh. Okay. Okay. Okay, I'm going to start my product detail UI section. So I start with my okay, yeah, product detail page. Okay, I start a container. Okay, not container. I start with the adding a card, and this card I start my card body, and in this card body I start a container. Okay, I think it looks cool. Okay, so for this things I write a new heading for the product details. Okay, I just save this page and refresh. Okay, we got this. Okay, so I just remove this heading and create a row, and I created 2 columns for the col MD and the 6. And for the now I just create a new class which will be my product underscore image. Okay, product underscore details underscore image will be fine. Okay, and I start my image tag, and okay, let's see, we have this images folder, and in this images folder we have some kind of this Alan beast. So so I set with the images. In the images folder we have product product images, and we have this beast.jpg class img float. Okay, let's see, refresh. Okay, all is working fine. Okay, after that I start a new column from after this column d6, which will be same as my column d6, and I start a batch. So span, and I write my category and category name, and I put a class which will be class badge and badge dark. Okay, let's see, save and refresh. Okay, so my category name is displayed at here. So I set a padding also. So I set p2. Okay, so just save and check in the browser. Okay, before that I'm going to the my row column. I set a my, I mean the margin from the top and bottom with the 5, and also paddings. I set a padding from the top and bottom which will be py5. Okay, just save and check in the browser. So as you can see, I got a little bit distance from the top and the bottom. Okay, after this setting the category name, I need to set the product title. So I take a product title, so I set my dev dot product dash detail details dash, okay, detail dash title. Okay, after that we have the price. Okay, sorry, not that price, we have the short description. After that, what we have for after this description, we have price tag. Okay, so I just set the price. Okay, okay, all is looking cool. So let's start with the title. So I change the line and I take a lorem with the h1 tag. So I set a lorem 5. 5 is more than enough, or otherwise we can set a lorem 8. So just save and just check in the browser. As you can see, we have this we have this title. After that, I'm just coming back into the description section, and I set a paragraph and I set a lorem 20. Okay, just save. After that, I start my price tag. So we have the two types of the pricing tag, which is the regular selling price, I mean the regular price and the selling price. So I start with my span, and we have this class regular price. Okay, I set with this the selling price. I set dollar 1200 dot 0 and a dollar 1400 dot 0 0. Okay, so just save and check in the browser. As you can see, we have both of them, but I need to cut this $400. So I just need to set this into a delete tag. So I just cut this and write delete tag and paste it into my delete tag, and let's see. Okay, now my next thing is to style this their font weight and their sizes, and I change the proper product details. So I just write like the, okay, I'm not changing anything, and just remove these lines and these words. Okay, okay, after that I'm going to my style CSS for changing their font weight and their sizes. So I just copy this style class name and just coming back to my style.css and start with the dot. And as first of all, I'm just changing out the font size of this. The font size will be 18 pixel. 18 pixel. Okay, and I change my font weight also. So font weight, which will be bold. Okay, let's see. Save and check in the browser. Okay, I think I also need to define the select of the h1 tag also. So I just set the h1 tag and save and refresh. Okay, the font size is not good enough, so I set with 30 pixel for the now. Refresh. Okay, I change the 35. Okay, that's better. Okay, and then I change the description also. So I just go and just copy this, and after that Let's change the font weight. The font weight will be 800. Let's see. Let's save this and refresh. Okay, and after that I take a margin from the bottom. So margin bottom will be 10 pixel is enough for me. Okay, not of 10, I set of 20 pixel. Okay, okay, that is too bold. Okay, it looks good, it's look nice. After that I change the style of the selling prices also. So I just copy this selling. Okay, before that I copy this product details price and I take margin from the top, which will be 30 pixel. Let's see. Yeah, okay, that will be better with the 35 pixel. Okay, after that I copy this. So and dot my product, I mean the selling price. I'm going to work with the selling price. So I change my font size for the now. So font size will be, it's like the 40 pixel, and the font weight will be bold. Let's see. So I'll save this page and refresh. Okay, this is the $1200. Okay, and in this regular price, if you need, then I just set with the text danger. So I put it into the delete tag. So I take a class into my delete class. I'm in the delete tag. So text danger, I put the text danger or set the red color. Refresh. Okay, and also I'm going to increase the font size a little bit. So I also regular price. So I just copy this and paste it over here and change the class name, which will be the regular price. Okay, so I increase the font size of the selling price is to with 45 pixel, and this will be 30 pixel. Okay, let's see. Let's save and refresh. Okay, all is working fine. Okay, after that I need to set add to cart button. So I'm going back to my product.php file. So after that product detail price, I set a button. So button dot, okay, I set an anchor tag. Okay, so a dot btn dot btn dark dot btn dash lg. This is the classes of the Bootstrap. If you don't know about this thing, so don't worry about this. You just need to go to the get bootstrap dot php file. So I'm in the getbootstrap.com and change the version. And after that we got all the classes name with this. We just need to search with the class and button name. Like if you're searching for the button, we get all the classes and their properties using with their classes names. Okay, so don't worry about this. Okay, so I just put a blank spot for the now, and I take a as right add to cart. Okay, so I just save and check into browser. I say refresh this page. As you can see, we have this add to cart button. Okay, before this I need a cart icon just like this. As you can see in the header section, we had this icon into like add to cart. I'm in the cart icon. So before the add to cart, I start as I class and write fa dash fa, I mean fa space fa cart dash plus. Okay, space and save and refresh. So as you can see, this is for the adding more products into our product card, I mean the card section. Okay, after that, here we had this my call MD6. So again, I'm going to start a new column with the call MD12 for the long description. So I write a heading with the, okay, I take a H2 heading for the description and take a horizontal row, and after that I start my paragraph with the lorem 50. Save and check. Okay, for the now take the 100 words, save and refresh. Okay, it's looking fine. Okay, take a margin in this 12 column. So take empty, I take a space from the top, so empty dash 4. Okay, save and refresh. Okay, let's see with the empty 5, save and refresh. So guys, as you can see, we created our product detail page using Bootstrap and some custom CSS. In the next part, we will work on the PHP for fetch the details from the database, and after that we'll work on the add this product into the cart, and also working on the user registration and login part too. So meet you soon in the next video, and stay with me. Happy coding.